Let me show you how to make an incredibly easy breakfast. We are creating crispy golden toast with a hidden center of warm, sweet blueberries that just melt in your mouth. It's the perfect mix of crunchy and soft, and it's surprisingly good for you. Start with one large egg. This will be the base that helps create that rich custardy texture we are looking for in perfect French toast. To that egg, add about 60 grams of plain Greek yogurt. That's roughly 4 tablespoons. This is the secret ingredient that will make our toast incredibly rich and fluffy without being heavy. Mix them together until you have a perfectly smooth, creamy, pale yellow mixture. This is what's going to give our toast that rich, fluffy texture and have it cook up beautifully in the air fryer. Take one thick slice of your favorite bread. Whole wheat or sourdough works great here. A sturdy bread will hold up to the soaking and cooking process and give you the best texture. Slowly pour that creamy egg mixture all over the top of the bread. Make sure every single part of the bread soaks it up. Let it sit for a moment to really absorb all that goodness. This patience is key to a moist interior. Here's the magic step. Take 9 fresh plump blueberries, which is about 20 to 25 grams. Gently press them right into the center of the toast. We are creating a little pocket of juicy flavor that's going to get warm and delicious inside the air fryer. Carefully place your creation into the air fryer basket. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot air will circulate around the toast, cooking it evenly and making it incredibly crisp without any extra oil. And we wait just 10 short minutes. In that time, something fantastic happens. The toast puffs up and turns a beautiful golden brown, and those blueberries soften into a warm, juicy compote right inside. Just look at that, perfectly crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. Honestly, it is that simple to make and so unbelievably satisfying. You get that crunchy texture, followed by sweet warm burst of blueberry. It's a quick, healthy treat that truly delivers on taste.